These days, you can have the most amazing product or service in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you're gonna hear crickets. That's where lead generation comes in. It's the fuel that keeps businesses running, the difference between a website that just exists and one that actually drives sales. But here's the good news. Generating leads isn't some mystical marketing secret reserved for the big boys. With the right approach, the right mindset, and a solid platform like Hostinger on your side, anyone can turn casual visitors into loyal customers. Quick heads up though, before we dive in, if you want to launch your site affordably while following this video, check out the description below. I've included a special Hostinger coupon code Site Starters that gives you 10% off so you can start generating leads without blowing your budget. First off, what exactly is lead generation and why does it matter? At its core, lead generation is the process of attracting people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer and then capturing their information so you can guide them toward becoming paying customers. It's the digital equivalent of inviting someone to browse your shop, handing them a flyer, and making sure they remember you when they're ready to buy. Without a system for consistently bringing in leads, you're basically hoping that people will magically stumble across your site and pull out their wallets on the spot. And let's be real, that's just not how most people operate. So where does it all start? Well, you guessed it, it's your website. And not just any website, you need one that actually works to turn visitors into leads. This means fast loading times, mobile-friendly design, clear navigation, and most importantly, strong calls to action, or CTAs. Think of CTAs as your digital handshake. They invite visitors to take the next step, whether that's signing up for a newsletter, booking a call, or downloading a free guide. And this is where Hostinger really comes in handy. Their hosting plans are affordable, their servers are fast, and their free SSL certificates help build trust with visitors. Plus, their custom control panel and website builder make it easy for even a total beginner to get a beautiful, functional site live without pulling their hair out. If you're building with WordPress, Hostinger's WordPress hosting plans come optimized right out of the box, which saves you a ton of backend headaches and keeps things running smoothly. But a slick website alone isn't enough. You need something that pulls people in, and that's where content comes into play. I'm talking about blog posts, videos, tutorials, guides, checklists, podcasts, whatever makes sense for your audience. Good content does two things. It answers questions your audience is already asking, and it positions you as someone they can trust. Kind of like what we're doing here. You know, it's ironic how that works. Take a page from Hostinger's playbook here though. They've built an entire ecosystem of helpful blog posts, YouTube videos, and tutorials that walk people through everything from buying a domain to setting up a WordPress site. That's also what I do. So I'll link videos to that in the description below if you need help with those things. Not only does this make Hostinger look like an authority in the hosting space, but it also means that when people need hosting, they're more likely to remember the brand that already helped them. You can do the same thing in your niche. Think about what your audience struggles with or wants to learn and start creating content around it. Now, once you've got people on your site and they're enjoying your content, you need a way to actually capture their information. And this is where lead capture tools enter the picture. These are things like pop-ups, sticky bars, newsletters, sign-up forms, or contact forms that invite people to share their name and email. Here's the trick though, you need to make it worth their while. No one's handing out their email just because you asked nicely. Offer something valuable in return, like a free resource, a discount code, or exclusive updates. Hostinger makes this easy because they integrate smoothly with popular WordPress plugins, landing page tools, and email marketing platforms. You can set up sleek, mobile-optimized forms without needing to code a single line. Just make sure you're not overwhelming visitors with too many pop-ups or interrupting their experience. The goal is to invite, not annoy. But none of this matters if no one is actually finding your site. That's why driving traffic is the next crucial piece of the puzzle. SEO, or search engine optimization, is your long-term best friend here, helping you rank on Google so people find you when they're searching for solutions. Hostinger actually helps in this department too, with fast server speeds and technical reliability that improve your SEO performance because Google loves sites that load fast and don't break. Beyond SEO, you've got social media marketing, paid ads, and partnerships with other brands or influencers to help bring in fresh eyes. The key here is to experiment and see what channels bring in the most qualified leads for your business. All right, so you've got leads rolling in. Now what? This is where lead nurturing comes into play. You can't just collect emails like baseball cards and hope they turn into sales. You need to follow up. Email campaigns are one of the most effective ways to do this, letting you stay top of mind and build a relationship over time. Share helpful content, offer exclusive discounts, or check in with personalized messages. Hostinger does a great job of this with their welcome emails, tutorials for new customers, and special offers that help nudge people toward upgrading or sticking around long term. The more you nurture your leads, the more likely they are to convert when they're ready to buy. Of course, no strategy is complete without a few caution signs. A common mistake is overwhelming visitors with too many lead capture forms or pop-ups. People get annoyed and instead of subscribing, they bounce. Another pitfall is ignoring mobile optimization. With so many people browsing on their phones, a clunky mobile site is the fastest way to kill your lead gen efforts. And perhaps the biggest mistake, getting discouraged when you don't see results overnight. Lead generation is a long game. It takes consistency, testing, and patience, but when it works, it really works. At the end of the day, generating leads is about showing up, offering value, and making it easy for people to connect with you. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, you just need to put the right pieces in place. And with tools like Hostinger's affordable hosting plans, beginner-friendly website builder, and smooth integrations, you've already got a strong foundation to build on. So if you're ready to take action, don't forget to check the description below. Use the coupon code SiteStarters for 10% off at Hostinger and get your site up and running today. And that just about wraps up today's video, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any further questions for me, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. And at any rate, thank you all so much for watching as always. And until next time, make sure to take care.